Now, when I hear of a town or a city with the last name Beach, I usually assume that it has something to do with being near the beach, like Dania Beach. Well, I don't know. Let's go check it out, guys. What is happening, everybody? And as always, welcome to Pay Yourself Back. I am your host, C-Los, and I'm a firm believer that in order to be happy in this life, you have to have a balance of spiritual and mental wellness. And also, welcome back to another series of videos I have entitled Ride Along. Today, we're going to be exploring Dania Beach, Florida. Alright guys, so this is not going to be a really long video or a long ride along, simply because Dania Beach is a relatively small city. Just to give you a little bit of a history, it originally was incorporated in 1904 as the town of Dania, and it gets its name from farmers who were of Danish ancestry. So when you hear Dania, that's where the name comes from. Later on, it was incorporated as the city of Dania, and then in 1998 the name changed to the city of Dania Beach. There are a lot of little cities down here in South Florida that has those names, the beach added to the names. Pompano Beach, Deerfield Beach, Hollandale Beach, I could go on, Hollywood Beach. The reason for this, what I have learned, is that they put the beach on the end to obviously boost the economy, draw more people, more tourists, whether they're moving there or they're just visiting there and they're spending their money, you know, buying things, whatever the case may be. They have over here, see how small it is? I mean, they have what, City Hall? I think this is City Hall right here, yeah. Yeah, let's do like a little drive around the City Hall. Yay, City Hall. Yeah. Broward County Sheriff. And as you can see, you get it all here in Florida. You get the sunshine, the heat, and you get the rain all in one day. All right, guys, we're actually going down US 1 or Federal Highway. Over here, I just did a video, is Key West Shaved Ice. I just did a video on that one. Go check that video out. A day for ice cream. And down here, again, to your right-hand side is a little place called Jackson's, which they have the world-famous ice cream here in Broward County. Everybody knows about Jackson's. Apparently, they've been around for a long time. But we're moving right along, Alright guys, so we are on the east side of US 1, which is the closest to the beach, and you can see a little bit of difference in when you're on the east side of US 1, closer to the beach. Houses and property obviously is going to be more expensive. I mean, you know, for obvious reasons. You're closer to the water. Everybody wants to live near the water. So I guess you gotta pay to play. Alright guys, so I think that's really about it. Like I said, it's not going to be a long video because Dania Beach is simply not that big of a city. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you for supporting me. Thanks for tuning in to Pay Yourself Back. And with that being said, be well, my friend. See you, out, baby.